In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for Binance, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully created your Binance account and be ready to start trading. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Binance website. Alternatively, you can download the Binance app from your device's app store. Once you're on the homepage, look for the register or sign up button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed to the registration page. Once you are on the registration page, you will see fields prompting you to enter either your email address or phone number. Select your preferred option and fill in the required information. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your information, be sure to read through the terms and conditions. You will need to agree to these terms before you can continue. Look for the checkbox indicating your agreement and check it before moving on. After completing the initial registration form, click the button to proceed. You will receive a verification code sent to the email address or phone number you provided. Check your inbox or messages for this code, then return to the registration page to enter it in the designated field. If identity verification is required, follow the prompts to complete this process. This may involve uploading documents such as a government-issued ID. Wait for the approval confirmation, which may take a few moments depending on the volume of requests. Once your account is verified, it is crucial to secure it immediately. Navigate to the security settings within your account. Enable two-factor authentication to add an additional layer of security. This feature will require a code sent to your phone each time you log in. Additionally, if available, set an anti-phishing code that will help protect you from phishing attacks. Completing the Know Your Customer process, or KYC, will grant you full access to all features of Binance. Follow the instructions provided to finish this step. After your KYC is approved, your Binance account will be fully functional and you can begin trading. Always ensure that you keep your account secure by regularly updating your password and monitoring your account activity. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.